Dilina Vijay Singh ready for the restart. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the second half of this Singha Schools Rugby League encounter between Trinity College Kandy and Dharmaraja College. Tier 1 encounter. Here we go. It's gone high. It's got a lot of air on it. Wadood safely under the ball. Ratwat, a dreadful kick. Well, not so dreadful after all. It was flat for a moment. I thought it was falling into the hands of the number 14 for Dharmaraja. Veerasekara. So line out throw to Jayasinghe. Dharmaraja, clean collection there, presence of mind. The line out didn't go too well, but good presence of mind. Ball stolen by Singalaksana. Knocked forward, now advantage in play. But right from the word go, the two teams at it and at it hard. Folks, as I said, we've been getting schoolboys into the comm box to give them an idea as to how things happen here in the commentary box. And the first half I had Gishan joining me from Dharmaraja, and now I have his twin brother, believe it or not, twins that I've got to handle today this evening. I've got Gimal joining me in the comm box. He will join in with the commentary in a little while. Chip and chase was the idea, but not going into plan, but still safely with Dharmaraja the ball is. Skipper offloads to his lock forward. Hefty lad, taken down, double trouble by Trinity there. Once again now the backs, the ever reliable backs, speedy and efficient, quick hands, quick feet. They're a outfit to contend with. Here we have Singalaksana chasing like a cheetah, dragging his opponent down there at the last moment. Samarasekara now, drop kick by Dilina Vijay Singh. How successful is that? Not so. But number 24 found wanting, just getting out of jail in the nick of time. Trinity unsettled, rattled, and nerves everywhere. Unsettled nerves. Gimal, thank you very much for joining me in the comm box. If you could tell me a little bit about Dilina Vijay Singh. He's been absolutely stunning this game. Fabulous with his boot. How long has he been playing for Dharmaraja First 15?
You know, it's his second year for the Dharmaraja First 15.
So second year player playing absolutely brilliantly. No pressure whatsoever. And here you go, right in the center. Good offload. Sevens rugby. Here I brought in, sevens style rugby brought into the 15-man format of the game. But forward pass, says Jeffrey Dilroy Fernando. And play comes back to that area of infringement per se. Scrum down Trinity ball. Pereira will be under some pressure now. Wadood has moved into scrum off. So there you go. First half break, bring in some change in personnel for Trinity. Wadood moving back from his customary fullback position onto scrum off. Not that he's not done it before. So he shouldn't have that difficulty in settling there. Running with ball in hand, he's stepped away from two Trinity players. Oh my God! Hetty Arachi, absolutely brilliant. Finally brought down by Talgagode. Trinity defense needs to spread wide. Slowing it down now. Cutting it close in here, Dharmaraja. Ball stolen by Basu Karunatilaka. That's why he's so dangerous. Wadood looking to offload. Trips on his own boot there. Falls down. Giragam without support. Trinity now on the charge. Wadood still on his feet. Shyam Singalaksana. Basu Karunatilaka. Boom! Big hit. Falls down. Off to Ratwate. Will he go for the boot? Chips and chases. Is that going to be successful? Will it find touch? gone out of field of play. Trying to take a quick line out, knocks it forward. Dharmaraja getting out of jail. Gimal, how has the fitness training been for Dharmaraja? They seem to be very fit and have lot of endurance and lot of stamina. They seem to be very fit on the park. How has that training been?
It's really, really, really appreciable, and it's that's how we in the school we saw everything. They are trained very well. That's what I can say.
Dharmaraja taking Tier 1 rugby very serious. Number 8 break. Good break, but marked well by Rangala, I believe. Wadud, skipper, leading from the front, steals the ball. Has it been stolen again by Dharmaraja? Not to be. Rangala or Giragama. No, that was Rangala. Once again, the lock forward being used. Ball loose, knocked forward, says the referee. So advantage Trinity there. It's a mess there at the breakdown. Absolute mess. People falling over all over. But scrum down, Trinity ball. Good opportunity. They'll have to grab this chance with both hands, because I'll tell you what, ladies and gentlemen, Dharmaraja have got an absolutely stunning boot in Thilina Vijay Singha, and Trinity can't afford to cut it fine in this game. So they need to work on things. A few changes in the lineup for Trinity in the second half. A few shifts here and there. Giragama now playing centre, if I'm not mistaken. Number 24 on the field for Trinity. I think he's doing the duties of a fullback. Big tackle there. Knocked forward by Wadud. There you go. Space on the outside. Space on the outside. Looking for support. Finds support. Will he go through? Will he go through? Finally taken down. Brilliant bit of work. Absolutely stunning. Dharmaraja. Shocking. Everybody, every single person here in Pallekele. How about that to get out of jail? Really now having to defend. They need to form that defensive line quickly. Chip Sanchez, nobody there. Nobody there. Nobody there. Finally scores an on try. Brilliant work by Dharmaraja Gimal.
Obviously.
Absolutely stunning. Good presence of mind by Dharmaraja. They brought 7 style of rugby into the 15-a-side format, as I told you before, and it's working absolutely brilliantly for Dharmaraja. Trinity found wanting. Lot to be decided by the Trinity defense. Number 8 break there by Dharmaraja, not working out too well. Holding on to the ball, says referee Roy Fernando. Cardinal sin. Cardinal sin. That's a crying shame, I tell you. Dharmaraja had it all in their hands, in their grasp to extend the lead, shock Trinity once and for all, but it's a shame, it's a crying shame that that error occurred. Tahinder Ratwatha just relieving some pressure for Trinity, but I'll tell you this much, I've never been impressed by a team as much as I've been impressed by Dharmaraja today. Just a reminder, folks, Science College beat Royal on Friday, creating the first upset of this year's schools rugby season. Then Wesley went on to beat Isipatana by a fine margin yesterday. That is upset number 2. Upset number 3, folks, seems to be on the cards. Terrible kick by Tahinder Ratwatha. When things don't go to your plan, nothing goes to plan. Dreadful kick. Tahinder Ratwatha has definitely left his A game at home today. Sure, his folks won't be that happy. Ashan Ratwatha's son is a proud father. Ashan Ratwatha played scrum half for Trinity during his time in Trinity College. Son moved one position outside of that, and now carrying on the duties as fly half, not having the best of days. Here we go. Hefty number 13. Offloads, quick hands. Defense needs to spread wide. Looking for a drop goal finally settles down Thilina Vijayasinghe. He's causing a lot of trouble, lot of problems to Trinity here. Once again, number 3. Big lad. Veeragon causing trouble there for Trinity. Once again, Trinity need numbers. Cutting in, breaking free yet again. Good offload, fabulous offload. There you go. It's done and dusted, folks. It's done and dusted. They score. They have scored. Shocked and amazed. Absolutely brilliant. Gimal, if you could tell me who the try scorer was. Who was the try scorer for Dharmaraja? We didn't quite get the try scorer, but no need for that. Thilina now trying to convert. Doesn't convert, just 5 points there, but 27 points to 17. Absolutely brilliant. Fabulous game to watch. Stunned the home crowd. Absolutely ecstatic, the visitors. You couldn't have asked for a better game on a Sunday evening, folks.
Well, when I say about the captain, none other than his Roshan Hettiarachchi, and for the last year he was the Sevens captain. He started his rugby when he was in a grade A. You know, he has been playing very well. You know, I like he's for the captain this year. He played very well.
Thank you, Gema. So, a lad who's been playing rugby from 13 years of age. There you go, trying to break through the middle, but not working out for Trinity. Defense too good. Defense too good. To Gema, to Aldureka Aluyarab. Should have offloaded, could have offloaded, but not to be. Still advantage Trinity, says Dilroy Fernando. Knocked forward by Dharmaraja. Knocking on the door, but the doors aren't opening. Wadood needs to make some tough calls and needs to make them really soon. Dharmaraj having the services of the experienced pro Radhika Hettiarachchi. Explains a lot as to why there's a lot of speed in the Dharmaraja legs. Wadood held up for a long time, but finally managing to get rid of it. Singalakshana to Rangala, held up yet again. Wadood looking for the ball, finding it. Tarinder breaking through the center. He needs to cross, so he's been held up. And he scores! There you go! Knocking. Finally, the door opens. Knocking on heaven's doors. Finally opens for Trinity. Tarinder Atwate with an all-important conversion now. Very important. He can't afford to muck it up. And he royally mucks it up. Oh my word. Atwate, my child, you need a change of boots, or Trinity needs to get somebody else as their ticker. 22 points to 27. Dharmaraj is still in the lead. Dying stages of the game. We got a game on our hands, folks.